Before operating a cordless bandsaw, it's essential to follow key safety steps to protect yourself and ensure the tool works as intended. This video does not replace reading your operator's manual. Always read the operator's manual before using a tool. Start with your gear. Always wear safety glasses that meet ANSI Z87.1 standards. If you're working in a dusty environment, grab a respirator. And don't forget hearing protection. No loose clothing, no jewelry, and tie back long hair. Anything that can get caught in moving parts is a risk. Keep your workspace clean and well lit. Clutter and poor lighting lead to accidents. And never use power tools near flammable liquids or gases. Sparks can ignite fumes before you even notice. Consult your employer for further PPE requirements on site. Use genuine Milwaukee M18 batteries and chargers. Remove the battery before changing accessories or performing maintenance. Avoid exposing the battery to moisture or extreme temperatures. Changing the blade safely. Now let's say you need to change the blade. First, remove the battery. This is critical. You don't want the tool starting while your hands are near the blade. Next, turn the tension lock handle 180 degrees counterclockwise. That releases the blade tension. Carefully lift the blade off the pulleys and slide it out from the guides. Even a used blade can be sharp or hot, so handle it with care. When installing a new blade, make sure the pulleys are facing up. Slide the blade between the rollers and guides and check that the teeth on the left side point toward the rear of the tool. Hold the blade in place and wrap it around the pulleys. Make sure it sits freely inside the guard channel. No twists, no slack. Now, turn the tension lock handle 180 degrees clockwise to secure the blade. Give it a quick visual check to confirm it's seated properly. Making a safe clean cut. With the blade installed and the battery back in, let's talk about making a cut. Always keep both hands on the tool, one on the front handle, one on the rear. This saw requires both triggers to run, so you've got built-in control. Start by placing the material guide against the workpiece. Let the motor reach full speed before the blade touches the material. Begin your cut where the most teeth can contact the surface at once. That gives you a smoother start and better control. Don't force the tool. The weight of the saw provides enough pressure. Just guide it steadily and let the blade do the work. When you finish the cut, hold the tool firmly and wait for the blade to stop completely before setting it down or pulling it away. Tool safety isn't just about how you cut, it's about how you prepare. Inspect your gear, follow the steps, and stay alert. A few extra seconds of caution can prevent serious injury. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.